Out our press note, we offer heartiest congratulations to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma on his assuming office as the 15th Chief Minister of Assam. Heartiest congratulations to all members of the newly constituted state cabinet. The Hills people are indignant. The Hills people have elected all the 5 BJP candidates to the state assembly from all the 5 Hills constituency, but none of the 5 MLA has been given the ministerial bread. No one from the Hills area has been represented in the newly constituted state cabinet. The Hills area of the state have been left out. Is the hill area not a part of Assam? Is the Hills area insignificant now in the state politics? Is none of the MLA from the Hills area incompetent and incapable to head the ministry of the state government? Why did the BJP nominate incompetent and incapable person to represent the Hills area in the state assembly? The BJP, the Hills area department is the end result of the joint center state study on development of Hills area in 1965. A joint center state study team was constituted by the Planning Commission to study the development program of the Hills area of Assam. The study team were headed by Sri Tarlok Singh, member Planning Commission, and later it came to be known as Tarlok Singh Commission. Considering the problem of the Hills district and significantly different from those of the other part of Assam, the committee, among other things, suggested constituted a planning board for the Assam Hills region and appointed an appointment of the development commission for the Hills area of the state. This is now the Hills area development came into existence. The Hills area department has been compensation to the Hills people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hausa for their opting to remain in Assam when the then Meghalaya Autonomous State was created in 1969, and therefore conventionally one of the MLA of the ruling party from the Hills area is inducted into the state cabinet and placed in charge of the HED through subparagraph 3 and paragraph 14 of the 6th schedule to the constitution, empowered the governor to place one of the ministers especially in charge of the welfare of the autonomous district and autonomous region of the state. Now, the ministers from the plain has been placed in charge of HED. It hurt the feeling and heal the people because they have strong emotional attachment with the department. One of the MLA from Hills area therefore should and could have been inducted in the state cabinet and placed in charge of the department. Had the Hill people joined Meghalaya, ministerial breadth in the state cabinet of Meghalaya would have been granted. The Hills people would have always a share part in the government. This was our press note. We would like to appeal the state government led by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma that we have a lot of hope on the new government, because he have mentioned in his rally that he have a very they had special feelings for the peoples of Karbi Anglong. So we had a lot of confidence that the people of Karbi Anglong would be able to see Parivartan with the new government. But what we have seen is that after winning all the 5 seats, the people from the 5 constituencies, Kadukawe press media kote teman kardom pajiriglo lasi ini BJP akimi government kangni kanceng benta ilitum Karbi Anglong rat tum aning kacethe du Athe ake hai nona akimi chief minister Karbi Anglong nang kahumri hut alang li Karbi Anglong phan kang hondo alang li rat election rally lo kachipak lang do stame pini ining oi meme lam ke lapulo je ili tum inglong aso bang pho MLA pahai data pita ili tum Karbi Anglong MLA phan alang li cabinet long adim abedet ason mandel lo lasi nilitum la press meet pet kachuni kang tung mangala pulo ilitum Karbi Anglong angbong a candidate tum efficient kandidat ma isi karju kang tung mangala pulo itu ma MLA tum efficient kandidat ma mai tum state politics long itum idim abedet lo ma pusi nili karju kang tung lasi nilitum kachuni di kala pulo prabjin pen ilitum inglong aso MLA phan HAD mate inglong aso kacerai komji a department abang ke ilitum Karbi Anglong la pen di mahasa pen kace toidun MLA abang fu phansi pek nang po athe mate kaprek thoi aso amuni da phan la so department ke pek abang ke alang litum itum inglong aso a sentiment abang ke nang chini jun de ji asini litum press medium hoi pen chuni lo je prabjin pen itum inglong aso MLA phansi la so department mang pek nai jongsi la so department pek pi pulote ilitum angbong kaching thur equality avede je posini matha athimete BJP atum ke सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास utalang litumpu langsi la so teng pulote anutina phanta abang hutina phanta kelang pachehoman ponji ba kanghon pachehoman ponji pus alang litum pulo alang litum a poll promise la bangke alang litum a principal la lasi alang litum la so principal la teng pen ke claim ye phansi nilitum hin panchuning lo apen apin apen nilitum ning thelo je kewang yani prabjin pen dak inglong aso MLA phansi la HDA a department mate inglong aso aphan inglong a ahawar kacerai komya department bangke dak itum inglong aso phansi pek pon po busi nilitum ning ke thela kadom
nalitum phan nilitum press meet athengno kangni mate kangni nangko ka bangala pohen lo nona kimi a government and lead by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma alang litum cabinet pangdak det pen Karbi Anglong bang pho MLA tumta cabinet apos long dun det pen ke dak Karbi Anglong aching thuronat papi huppu o bang seni litum thegam long rong ajoni sipin nang litum pan so press meet nang hang lo lasi nilitum hin pen prabjin pen HCD department pen danglo akaprek cabinet apus etame Karbi Anglong lapen di mahasau bang pho MLA tumhan kepek ponji tuman si tum ahin songni KSYC lapen KFA tum kachuning rilo lasi Karbi Anglong mati hills area di mahasau pen kache raiji polote la bang pho MLA tumhan bangke aki pipon akenang sot athe laso HCD pathik pon data phise tame akaprek atom pansela suppose ki pipon po bangke alang litum a promise hin pen alang tum Karbi Anglong phan kaching hondo pu along my meeting long keneng jepon ke non ilitum ke thek ke thek dam long ke lason kalidet ang naklo kaching hon pon bang ilitum jangre son ilitum phan nang treat pon rong son sela ilitum che thek long rong lo lasi jong se alang litum a hokpet jong si Karbi Anglong phan kaching hondo lapen di mahaso arara tum phan hills area tum phan kaching hondo polote alang litum tong sekot pen la HCD department lapen akaprek a department se tame pek pon po pusin litum ning thilo